Hello and welcome back once again. So today I'm going to show you how you can install opencode CLI in your PC. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. First of all, you have to go to the browser and you have to go for the opencode CLI, then GitHub. Okay, search it and hit enter. And here you will find a bunch of different links here you can see. But we'll go with the github.com, then SST, then opencode. Okay, so open it and here you have the installation process. We can actually install it in two different ways. If you are from the Linux, you can go with the first one, and then if you're from the Windows, you can actually go with the second one, and that is package managers. So we're going to go with the second one, that is npm i-g opencode-ai at latest. But here you can see npm. It means we need to install Node.js in our PC. So to check Node.js installed in your PC or not, you have to go for the command prompt and you have to say here node-v. And you will find your version. If you don't find the version, it means you haven't installed Node.js in your PC. So go for the browser and search for the Node.js org. Go to the download link directly. Select the long-term support version. Don't go with the current version. Okay, select any latest long-term support version and then download the .msi and install it. And you will find Node.js. Now, I'm assuming that you can install Node.js in your PC. Now we'll actually run this code. Okay, so copy this and go for the command prompt. So type cmd and open it as administrator. Okay, as administrator. Click here yes. Right click on it to paste it and hit enter, and it will actually start installing opencode CLI in our PC. There we go. Here you can see we have added. It added 3 packages, so we have successfully installed it, right? Okay. Fine. To check we have opencode in our PC or not, you just have to actually go for the once again cmd and you have to say here opencode, then hit enter. Here we go. We have opencode. Now if you give here any prompt, it will actually get your whole project for you. Okay, this will be really awesome, and I am going to actually show you how you can create Laravel projects through opencode CLI. So you don't have to pay for this, you don't have to write any code, okay, and it will actually complete all the process for you. You just have to give a prompt. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.